Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple guide on how to enable Vibrate for Topics notifications on the X app. If you've ever missed an important update because you didn't feel your phone buzz, this will make sure you never overlook them again. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and go straight into your system settings. This is where everything begins, as we'll be adjusting how the app handles notifications at the device level. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see the full list of apps installed on your phone. From there, scroll until you see X, and go ahead and tap into it. This will open up the settings specifically for the X app. Once you're inside, look for notifications and tap on it. This is where you control what kind of alerts the app is allowed to send and how they're delivered to you. Now, within the Notifications menu, you'll see an option called Notification Categories. Tap on that to expand the individual types of alerts the app can generate. From there, look for Topics. This is the section dedicated to keeping you updated about new posts, discussions, or interests you choose to follow in the app. Tap on Topics to open its settings. Finally, you'll notice the option to toggle on Vibrate. Switch that on, and just like that, every time you get a Topics notification from the X app, your phone will vibrate so you can feel the alert right away. That's it. 7 simple steps, and you're all set. By enabling Vibrate for Topics notifications, you'll always stay connected to what matters most to you on the X app, without having to rely solely on sound alerts that can be easy to miss. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to use these settings to customize your other apps as well. It's a great way to make sure your phone notifies you exactly how you want, whenever you need it. Thanks for watching.